I want to come along and show you guys how to make this face mask, guys, with everything that's going on. I know a lot of people is making face masks, and you guys is like how to make a pattern. So guys, I take a piece of paper towel, guys. Let me move this so I can talk better. Take a piece of paper towel, right, guys? Fold it. I put it right down the seam where the paper towel fold. And you guys see the shape I made? I did like a triangle shape and then like a square. So take a paper towel, guys, and do it just like this, guys. And actually, I can make it a little bit shorter, guys. So this will be the pattern that you will make your face mask with, guys. So you take a piece of paper towel. You see how I got the pointy triangle top. And if you guys see, look, this is the face mask. And if you don't want it so pointy, the triangle so pointy, guys, you can cut it down a little bit, kind of like that. So I wind up shaping it a little like that, guys. So if you guys see that, this will be the shape, guys. Take a paper towel, do it. So guys, you're going to take two, you're going to fold it over. So this side down, guys, and then I sew going all the way around. I sew this curve, I go all the way around, sewing it, guys. And let me show you guys this. And I just grabbed what I had in the house, guys, some fleece. So if you guys see, and then once you get done, you take a, Jesus, my mind is freezing. You take a safety pin, guys, with the elastic, the thin elastic, guys, and you thread it through. If you see, I got two. You thread it through, and then you sew it closed, guys. And then when you put it on, all the way over your head, like this, guys, and up. And then I'll take this part and bring it up higher. And then this part down lower. So I just grabbed what I had, guys, to make this video for you guys. So guys, this is the pattern that you're going to use. Paper towel. So I know a lot of y'all like, oh, I want to make a face mask. And a lot of people showing you, oh, print this out, print that out. A lot of times you don't have a printer. You don't have ink in a printer. You don't have time for all that, guys. Take a paper towel, fold it, and look at this shape, guys. It's that simple. Take it and go just like this at the curve of that paper towel. Where the paper towel folds, and just cut it. Boom. Boom. And then put it up to your face. If it looks good. And then you're going to fold this over, guys. And pull the elastic through. Fold this over, guys. Take the elastic through. And then I curve down my sides. And guys, they do recommend that you use quilting or cotton fabric or whatever. I just had some fleece and I just wanted to do this quickly for you guys. So if you guys see, I just fold it over and I put the elastic through. So and some people are doing a lining. I just wanted to show you guys quickly how to make it. So guys, this is your pattern. Take a piece of paper towel and there you guys go. You can make your own face mask, get the elastic, and you can do it by hand, guys. You don't need a sewing machine. So as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and stay safe, guys. God bless. And I think I'm going to make some of these for the kids in the neighborhood. I listen and hear them outside still playing. And I think I'm going to correspond with my manager, and I'm going to make about 50 of them and leave them for the kids so that they can, because they're going to go outside anyway. So at least when they outside, everybody is being protective and they can have cute little masks out and play, because the kids are still going outside. So at least when they outside with each other, I'm going to make face masks for them, guys. So if you see, you put it like this and up top, and you're protected, guys. You're protected. Thank you guys for watching. As always, guys, God bless, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you, everybody. Please be safe. But this is how you can make those face masks, guys. Even if you don't have a sewing machine, follow these easy steps and you guys can make face masks at home. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, God bless.